I got tired of having a dozen pairs of reading glasses sitting around the house and at work, and it seemed that every time I needed a pair of them, they were never there, and it just got to be really irritating. I did some research to figure out, what sorts of procedures are available to fix my vision at my age and things, and he repeatedly came up in the searches and looked at the reviews and checked on that, and of course came and talked to him, and he instilled a lot of confidence, and it seemed like the best thing for me. The whole thing from coming into the office to even going through the surgery was the biggest non-event that you've ever seen. The surgery was just took minutes. For me, there was no pain at all, and the remarkable thing, even the day after surgery, I could see better than I think I probably have ever seen in my life. And it's well better than 20/20 vision right now. And actually, I'm still in that phase a little bit where you just sit and look at things, noticing the texture on your steering wheel that you never really knew that you had on your car, and just looking at things that it's always been there, but you just haven't been able to see them. I have to thank Dr. Horn for that. I really do think I have vision for life. I'm extremely happy with the results that I've gotten, and anybody in a similar situation, I would certainly suggest that they seriously consider it.